Parliament is sounding an alarm over the ineffectiveness of the Witness Protection Agency, a body mandated to give special protection to persons testifying for the state, primarily in criminal cases and corruption. What is more worrying is the admission by the Witness Protection Agency CEO, Alice Ondieki, that the agency's Victim Protection Fund had not been operationalized since its formation a decade ago. NTV's Seth Olale reports.
The gruesome murder of former acting communications director at the National Land Commission, Jennifer Wambua, a key state witness in the 120 million shillings fraud case involving Lugari MP Ayub Savula and former PS Sami Itemere and 27 other suspects, has reignited calls for the streamlining of the Witness Protection Agency. Citing the untimely death of the late Wambua, the Senate Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Human Rights is now calling for a complete overhaul of the state agency, claiming it's a lame duck.
The fight against corruption is affected by the fact that we don't have either an elaborate mechanism for the witness protection to the way it was envisaged at the beginning. If it worked earlier, it is not working now.
The Chief Executive Officer of the state agency, which was constituted through the 2006 Witness Protection Act, Alice Ondieki, appears to have thrown in the towel due to the institution's challenges.
In terms of the Victim Protection Fund, I just want to clarify that it has not been operationalized, and we have tried so much to operationalize it.
The legislators have also noted a steep decline in the number of whistleblowers in the country.
At a later date, nobody is going to come forward because witnesses are not being protected and they are being haunted.
Protection to witnesses should be given at the commencement of investigation, not when the charges are being filed in court.
This is the weakest point of the fight against corruption. The whistleblowers.
According to the 2006 Witness Protection Act, the sole purpose of the Witness Protection Agency is to provide the framework and procedures for giving special protection on behalf of the state to persons in possession of important information and who are facing potential risk or intimidation due to their cooperation with the prosecution and other law enforcement agencies. It is estimated that about 300,000 applications are made annually, owing to the roughly 320,000 criminal cases handled by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution each year. In the wake of the brutal killing of Jennifer Wambua and other key state witnesses, it may be time to review the Witness Protection Program in order to safeguard key witnesses as well as whistleblowers, field at which the entire criminal justice system will be impotent. Seth Olale, NTV, Nairobi.